Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you discover the best beauty products that truly deliver. If you're someone who's always on the go but doesn't want to compromise on skincare, this next product might just become your new best friend. Today, we're exploring the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Jet Set Hydration Kit, a TSA-friendly, all-in-one skincare set designed to keep your skin nourished, hydrated, and glowing, no matter where life takes you. The e.l.f. Skin Jet Set Hydration Kit contains a thoughtfully curated selection of products, all packed into travel-sized packaging, making it ideal for anyone who's looking to streamline their skincare routine while away from home. This kit includes a daily face cleanser, 30 milliliters, Hydrating Balm, 6 grams, Daily Hydration Moisturizer, 25 milliliters, Eye Cream, 7 grams, and Nourishing Night Cream, 15 grams. Perfect for all skin types, it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is a huge plus for conscious consumers. Now, let's dive into the specifics of this kit. Each product in this set is loaded with nourishing, hydrating ingredients like aloe, shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. These are all great go-to ingredients for skin that craves hydration and soothing relief. Aloe, in particular, is excellent for calming and replenishing the skin, while shea butter provides deep moisture without feeling heavy or greasy. After testing this kit during multiple travel trips, I found it surprisingly easy to integrate into my routine. The daily face cleanser is light and effective, removing makeup and daily grime without stripping my skin. It foams just enough to feel thorough, but not harsh, which I really appreciated. The Hydrating Balm feels incredibly soothing, especially when you apply it in circular motions. It's like a quick drink of water for your face, hydrating but not overwhelming. The Daily Hydration Moisturizer was just the right amount of moisture for daytime use, not too thick, but still effective in keeping my skin soft and dewy. The eye cream was a nice touch. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any greasy residue under the eyes, which is a must for me. And of course, the night cream works wonderfully as the final step in my evening routine. It's rich but not heavy, and I woke up to soft, refreshed skin. The one thing I'd note is the size of the hydrating balm. While it's certainly portable, I found myself wishing for a little more product in that mini size, especially since it's one of the standout items in the kit. But that's a minor detail when considering the overall convenience of having all these products in one compact set. So what are the pros? First off, the value for money is solid. For the price, you get a full routine, with each item contributing to a well-rounded skincare experience. The cleanser is gentle yet effective. The moisturizer keeps skin hydrated without feeling greasy, and the eye cream is a lovely treat for tired eyes. Plus, the fact that everything fits into a travel pouch makes this kit incredibly practical for anyone who's always on the go. On the flip side, I did feel like the Hydrating Balm could use a slightly bigger size, given its central role in the routine. Also, the eye cream, though lovely, is a small size compared to the other products, so you might run out of that one faster if you use it daily. Now, for a quick comparison with other similar kits out there, e.l.f. really does offer a competitive price point for what you're getting. Other brands offering travel-sized skincare kits often charge more for fewer products, so this kit is certainly more budget-friendly. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sturdy enough for travel. Nothing fancy, but it does the job. The product sizes are great for travel, but might feel too small for those who want larger quantities of their favorite products for daily use at home. As for longevity, these travel-sized products are designed to last a week or two, depending on your usage, so they're really ideal for short trips or a trial run of the e.l.f. skincare line. As for customer support, e.l.f. has a solid reputation in the beauty industry for being responsive and easy to reach. They're known for their commitment to cruelty-free, vegan formulas, so if you ever run into any issues with their products, you can rest assured they'll be on top of it. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget and want to try something similar, there are other travel-sized skincare sets out there, but e.l.f. really stands out for its price-to-value ratio. You might find some sets that cost a bit less, but you may have to compromise on ingredients or product quality. In summary, the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Jet Set Hydration Kit is a solid choice for anyone who needs reliable, hydrating skincare while traveling. Its compact, effective products make it easy to stick to a great skincare routine, whether you're hopping on a plane or just heading out for the weekend. With its thoughtful formulation and practical design, this kit is a win, especially if you're looking for hydration on the go. It's definitely worth considering if you're after a travel-friendly skincare set that delivers great results without breaking the bank. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us continue making honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the e.l.f. Skin Jet Set Hydration Kit, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.